We're taking a walk here in Oceanside on Pacific Avenue. There's cars that drive on the little strandway there. That's the resort. The pier. Here's one of the playgrounds, and then there's another playground just behind that building, which is the condo. There's the other playground over there, just on the other side of the resort. Here's the pier. And here's the little road that takes you to the parking area. And there's the resort. Wow, what a gorgeous day here in Oceanside. It is October 24th. There's the Oceanside Pier over there. Just beautiful. All the kids on the playground. There's the two new hotels right there. And then our...
Next time I want to go. You didn't even find a good one?
Just ahead there on the right is the condo we once stayed at. It was beautiful. Right there, beachside.